Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need some star beads. You're also going to need some pony beads. I'm going to use glitter. I have 12 inches of elastic string and some scissors. And you're going to start with putting on one pink bead. And then we're going to put on two more pink, a star, and then two more pink pony beads. And we're going to bring the beads down, but leave some string here. We're going to take this end of the string and go through the pink bead. You can just hold this string here and then pull this. Now we're going to repeat that with orange. So we can add 3 orange, a star, 2 orange, now we're going to take our string and go through this orange bead. Hold this end here while you pull. Well, this is an afterthought. To hold this in place, let's just put a bead on here and go ahead and tie the string one time. We're going to use this to hold our place. It'll be just a little bit easier. And to adjust these, you can hold the star and pull this string here. Okay, the next color is yellow. Adding that bead, then we don't have to keep worrying about that string. I should have thought about that before we started. We're going to add our 3 yellow, 1 yellow star, 2 yellow, and we're going to take our string and go up through the first yellow. The next color is blue. The next color is purple. Okay, now we have all of our beads on. What I want you to do is hold this end here, and by grabbing the star, we're going to try to tighten this a little bit. So you'll have to pull this string and the star at the same time. It doesn't have to be super tight, you just don't want it to be really loose. And now we can remove this bead. And we're going to put on the rainbow to make the ring part. I'm going to go backwards because we're starting with pink. So I'm going to do purple, blue, green, yellow, orange, and pink. And we're going to go through the yellow. We went through that yellow bead. Now we're going to go through the green. Now I'm going to flip this over. I'm going to hold this string. And on this side, we're going to do the same thing. Add the rainbow. But this time, we're going to start with pink because we're ending at purple here. So pink, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. And now we can take these two strings and tie them together. And you can cut that off. And now you can, it depends on what fingers you want to wear it on, but you can do your first two or your second two. I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then you kind of move these around to get them where you want them. I thought this was a neat little idea, something new to try. I hope you guys like this tutorial. I'll see you next time.